Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Enable NFC in settings on Android 6, 0 or later now. Open Settings, search NFC and toggle it on. Install a supported access card app from Google Play and grant NFC permission. Accept any app security prompts to allow reading and writing. Turn off battery saver mode if sensing appears slow or inconsistent. Keep the card within 3.5 cm of the phone's rear NFC coil when scanning. Position the coil over the card and stay steady for reliable contactless communication. Open the Access Card app and choose Add Card or Scan Card now. Follow on-screen instructions to select card type and reading mode. Tap the card to the phone back and hold for 2 to 4 seconds. Keep the phone and card steady while the app reads data blocks. Grant any permission prompts and accept the security dialog to proceed. Confirm displayed card details and name the card for easy identification in the app. If the phone does not detect card, move card across the rear in slow arcs. Try turning NFC off and on, then retry scanning the card. Check the card is not blocked by metal, cases, or wallets that exceed 3 mm thickness. Enable lock screen security like PIN or fingerprint to protect stored card credentials. Regularly update the app to maintain compatibility with Android's security changes. Remove stored card in the app when you lose the physical access card to prevent unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.